In this video, I'm going to show you how to play Joy to the World in the key of F. My name is Christine, and here at the Gospel Method, we want to make sure that you have all the tools you need to play your favorite gospel songs on the piano. For tons of free resources like the one we're going to be using today and many more, be sure to go to thegospelmethod.com and create your free membership. And be sure to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss any free tutorials. Let's jump right into our song today. I'm going to be playing through this for you so you can hear what it sounds like. Then we're going to break it down into right hand and left hand, hands together, so you can play it at home. We are in the key of F, and we're going to be starting in F, root position, and this is what it's going to sound like. Joy to the world, the Lord is come. Let earth receive her King. Let every heart prepare him room, and heaven and nature sing, and heaven and nature sing, and heaven and nature sing. So a really cute version of this, a little bit different than the traditional. I've added in some minor chords to give a little bit of color, but it's very pretty. Let's take a look at our right hand. Again, like I mentioned, we're starting in F root position. So if you haven't gotten your inversion chart yet, or you're not sure how to play inversions in the key of F, go in the description below. I'll put a link for the lesson that covers that, and there's a free chart you can download that shows you the easiest way to get from one chord to the other in the key of F. So we're going to start with F, and then we have a slash, which means repeat that F again, D minor, slash, then we have F slash B flat. So F over B flat means that F is on the right hand, the left hand's going to play B flat. So right now we'll just worry about the F. So the Lord is F, then we have a C chord, and then we have F over D, so the right hand again is going to play F. Okay, so it's going to be the Lord is come. So the right hand is just F, C, F. Then we're going to go to let earth, so B flat, let earth, 2 times, 2 A minors, 4 D minors. And then F, let every, B flat, prepare him room, repeats itself. Then we have and heaven and nature sing. So F slash A, F over A means the right hand again. It's playing F. The first note you see on the slash chords is the right hand. So that line is just heaven and nature sing, all Fs with the right hand. And heaven and nature, down to our C, and then G minor for 2. And then at the bottom, you can see there's not very many slashes. It's just chord, 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 chord. So we're going to play each one once. So F, A minor, D minor, B flat, F over G, C, 2 Fs. So that part's going to take some practice. And heaven and nature sing. All right, so that's the tricky part. Definitely something you can take out and practice separately. So that's the right hand. Again, when you have the slash chords, you're going to play the first letter you see is with the right hand. Now let's take out our left hand. We're just going to be holding notes here. We're not going to play the slashes. We're just going to hold it through. So joy to the world. Now here we have to be a little more careful because the left hand is going to play B flat, F slash B flat. So B flat, C, and then F over D means we're playing D on the left hand. So the Lord is come. And then there's another one. So joy to the world, the Lord is come. Let earth receive her King. Let every heart prepare him room, and heaven and nature sing. So be careful there. We have to go to the A. Heaven and nature sing, and heaven and nature sing. And then same here, we're going to move one at a time. F, A, D, B flat, G. So the F over G, we have to play G, C, F again, and heaven and nature sing. So this is one of those songs where it looks simple. you can make sense in your head, but actually getting it in your fingers, especially that last line, is going to take some time. So go slow, don't get discouraged, take your time. Let's put hands together nice and slow, nice and steady beat. Joy to the world, the Lord is come. Let earth receive her King. Let every heart prepare him room, and heaven and nature sing, and heaven and nature sing. Now be careful here. And heaven and nature sing. So beautiful song. Take your time on that. This is level 1 out of 4 levels. So if you do want to take this to the next level, levels 2, 3, and 4, make sure you go over to thegospelmethod.com. Check out our premium membership. There's going to be 4 levels of this song. We're going to be talking about 7th chords, passing chords that you can add in, and also adding in some melody and some fun walk-ups inside some of those chords. And we do it step by step, so it's not too overwhelming for you, and then we're going to keep it in the key of F so you can follow along. In the premium membership, you also get access to our library of songs in all 12 keys. As well, we have once a month Zoom question and answer sessions where you can come and show me your playing, ask any questions that you have about what you're going through on the video tutorials, and I can help you out with that, and that's included in the membership as well. So be sure to head over there, make your free membership to get today's download, and check out our premium membership for a little bit extra. I hope this tutorial has helped you in your playing. If so, leave a comment what you found most helpful today. Make sure you like, subscribe to the channel, and come back next week for another free tutorial. Bye!